Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a snake game clone directly inside the browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and also we are using TypeScript as well. So we are running this game directly inside the browser localhost 3000. So once you reload, you just press the space key. The game will start here. So you can move your snake using the arrow keys. So the prime objective, as you all know, it's a famous game for collecting the apples. So as you select the apples, your snake will grow. So it's a ready-made game. So if you are interested, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So as soon as you collect the apples, the score will also move. The snake will also grow. So once the snake hits the wall, the game will be over. So this is the actual game logic. So I written this game from scratch. So it directly runs in the browser. It's a static web application. It doesn't have a backend. So once it hits the wall, the game is over. You put the score. Again, you can restart the game by pressing the space key, and once again the game will start. The game logic is quite simple. You select the apples. So if I show you the actual directory structure of the game, every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. This is the food component, the actual game. This is the main particles renderer snake. So each file is coded directly inside TypeScript. So I coded this game from scratch. So it will save you a lot of time. So once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So we are using TypeScript, as you can see, which is a superset of JavaScript. So we are running this project. So once you purchase it, you open the command line, simply run the command npm run serve. This will start the actual application, local development server, so localhost 3000. So as you can see, we are running this project here. It directly runs it in the browser. We are localhost 3000. And under the hood, we are not using any special library for building this. We are just using this browser API, which is Canvas API. As you all know, Canvas API, we are using it, which is a built-in library inside your Chrome Firefox browser. So we are just using this Canvas API to actually build out the snake game under the hood, to actually build and code this snake game inside TypeScript, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you want to deploy this, you simply run the build command. So if you want to deploy this, you just npm run build. This will create this dist folder where you can simply deploy this application as well. So definitely check this out if you are interested. All the source code you will get. You can easily customize the game as well, very easily. So we implemented the collision detection, so once it hits the wall, the game is over.